my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the different types of fishes. First we learn the fish's name. Hammerhead fish, catfish, Tetrus fish, clawfish and beautiful shark fish. This beautiful color used in the different types of fishes. Let's learn together with me. Let's learn together with me. First we paint the hammerhead fish. Blue color in hammerhead fish. Yellow color. Kids, our hammerhead fish is ready. Now we paint the catfish. Red color. Light orange color. Wow! Orange color. Kids, our catfish is ready. Now we paint the Tetrus fish. Dark green color. Yellow color. Light blue color. Light green color. Orange color. Kids, our Tetrus fish is ready. Now we paint the clawfish. Yellow color in clawfish face. Orange color. Red color. Golden color. Dark green color. Red color.
Farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife.
Kids, our clownfish is ready. Now we paint the shark fish. Pink color.
The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi ho the dairy-o. The wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse. Hi ho the dairy-o. The child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi ho the dairy-o. The nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy-o. The cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi ho the dairy-o.
Dark purple color.
The dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi ho the dairy-o. The cat takes the mouse.
Red color in shark fish.
The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho the dairy-o. The mouse takes the cheese.
Wow, kids, all type of fishes are ready. Subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.
The cheese stands alone.